Hello everyone. Students, from the last week I have started the revision time and this is my second revision class. Today I will give you the revision of two special poems. First is My Mother at 66 and the second is Keeping Quiet. I have given you the class on these two poems. So today I am just going to give you the quick review of these two poems, which will help you to answer the questions related with these poems in your midterm. Students, My Mother at 66 is written by Kamala Das, and this poem explains the true love emotions between a mother and daughter. The daughter itself, Kamala Das, is presenting the poem. The poem revolves around the beautiful relationship between the poet and her mother. The summary shows the theme of the advancing age of the mother, of the author, and the fear of separation. In this poem, we have seen that the mother is in the fear of separation when her daughter, Kamala Das, is going to airport, that means leaving to that old lady. This apparently short poem touches upon the theme of a beautiful bond between mother and the daughter. It shows how beautiful a relationship a mother and a daughter can have. This poem explains that how beautiful relationship between a mother and a daughter can have. Okay, so in the next slide you will see the brief detail of the poem. Wait for the next slide. Yeah, in this slide you can see the key points of related poem, My Mother at 66. Poet is Kamala Das traveling to Cochin airport with her mother in a car, looks at the wan, pale face of her dozing mother. She is very sad. The poet is very sad to see the wan, pale face and dozing mother. Old fear of losing her mother returns. The poet explains the childhood fear in which she often thinks that she will lose her mother. So that fear returns in the mind of the poet. So to divert the mind from these all the things, the poet looks outside of the window from the car and she watches sprinting trees, merry children provide the contrast and relief. And to see the outside scenery, the poet gets relief. After the security check, the old familiar act returns. Again, she is in the pain when the poet is at the security checkpoint at the airport. She tries to hide her emotions by smiling. She bids a goodbye to her mother with a hope to see her again. And here the poem ends. So in this poem we have seen the journey from the home to airport, and in that journey the poet understands the pain of separation among the heart of these two people, especially in the mother. Okay, and here the poem ends. This poem is a very beautiful poem which expresses the unsaid, or you can say that the untold relationship between poet and her mother. Now moving to the next poem, The Keeping Quiet. Wait for the next slide. Yeah. Students, Keeping Quiet is a very beautiful universal brotherhood poem written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda advocates to make a beautiful life on the earth, and in the poem the poet talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. Introspection means to think about the existence on the earth, that why we have come on the earth. That kind of thinking is called introspection. जब आप अपने अस्तित्व के बारे में सोचेंगे, that will be called introspection. So the poem is speaking about the necessity of quiet introspection, means to think about yourself. It will help, and if you will think like this way, it will help the people understand themselves and will create the feeling of mutual love and relationship. And if you will think about your the existence, that why you have come on the earth and what you are doing, and if you will think like this way, then that will create a mutual love and relationship on the earth. By quiet introspection, the poet doesn't mean total inactivity. The poet explain his idea that he is not advocating about the death, means the total inactivity. He is saying to stop all unnecessary things, all harming things, and all the disturbing things on the earth. He is trying to stop all those things which are creating so much disturbance on the earth. So he is not advocating the total inactivity and death. He is just saying to stop all unnecessary rush and running. The reason for the discard and war is the imbalance between man and nature. The poet expresses the imbalancement condition of between man and nature. Man and nature are just being opposite to each other. So the poet is saying that we should not be opposite to nature. If the nature is there, then we are here. So the poet is trying to build up a relationship between man means the human, and nature. Quiet introspection will establish a spiritual and physical union that the most desirable for the survival on the earth and the human beings. The poet says that introspection will give you the knowledge. अगर आप अपने बारे में सोचेंगे, अपने इंसान होने के बारे में सोचेंगे, then you will have a spiritual and physical union that most desirable to survive on the earth and the human beings. And if you will think like a human being, and if you will think about the duty of human beings, then this earth will be so beautiful to live on. So I think these two poems will not have any kind of disturbance to you. I am just advising you to go through the question answer of related with these two poems, and then you will have a beautiful preparation for these two poems in your midterm examination. So this is enough for the today's class. We will meet in the next revision time in the next class. Okay? Till then, revise, re-enjoy, relive the last 6 months and try to make yourself strong to face the examination, the midterm examination. Okay? If you will honestly try to prepare yourself, and that will help you in the board examination also. So keeping this thing, I am just leaving my class here. Have a nice day. Enjoy learning. Goodbye.